Wix portfolio website tutorial for beginners, how to create portfolio on Wix. Hello guys, Sadia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create our portfolio website using Wix. So basically all we need to do is just to click on get started, then just log in. We can easily use Gmail, Facebook, or like email account. I'm going to use Gmail, as for me this is the easiest variant. And here we are on our dashboard where we can find all of our websites. And in order to create a new site, we need to click on create new site. So basically now we need to answer for some of the questions. What kind of website are you creating? I'm going to click on portfolio, and here we can find the group. I'm going to click on next. We'll find the necessary template a little bit later. What would you like to call your website? Let it be like portfolio. Basically it doesn't matter because it's only for Wix library. So basically we can skip this part, and here just click on begin with a template to start choosing a template. Basically I think this is the best way to start. And here, as you can see, we can just simply find the portfolios area, and we can find tons of different templates we can easily use. And here we can find something which is suitable as for us. I think this one here is pretty cool, but you can find some other variants. I'm going to click on view, and this is how our website looks like this template. So I'm going to use this template, and as you can see we can easily switch to a mobile phone. It means that every single template on Wix is responsive, and I think it's pretty cool. So let's click on edit this site, and after that our website will be successfully created, and this template will be like as a starting page as for us. So now all we need to do is just to customize every single part. It may take a little time to create the editor page, and now it looks like this. So it may take a little time, depends on server's capacity and so on. So let's have a quick tour on our editor. So basically we have add elements option. From this page here we can add text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, a lot of different elements, and we can customize them. We can also add different sections. We have like templates, or we can add blank section, welcome page, about, team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, and so on. Also we can manage our menu. As you can see now we have like homepage, bio, video, photos, contact, and portfolio. We can easily switch pages in a way like this, so it's pretty cool. And also we can add new pages by simply click on new page right up here. And what is really interesting is that we can change site design by simply click here and then just click on customize site theme. And as you can see, we can switch between different color palettes, and I think it's pretty cool because we can customize colors. And moreover, we can go to text to customize text themes. We can change the font pack and so on. I think it's pretty cool, and I suggest you to use this feature because we can easily customize the whole website from the template from the beginning basically. So let's use this one here, and as you can see every single website is divided into different sections, and we can easily edit these sections, add new sections, and delete an existing section. So for example, I want to delete this page. I'm going to click on more, and I'm going to click on delete, and as you can see it was successfully deleted. I think it's pretty cool. And I'd like to add the section which is called welcome, where we can just write something about ourselves and so on. I'd like also to change the section background, so I'm going to click on change, and here I want to find something which is suitable as for me. Maybe this picture is suitable, and I think yeah, it looks pretty cool. So in this case we can customize every single element, like text here, so we can just simply click on edit text, and here we can write our name we want to perform in our portfolio. Also I'd like to change these image here. So basically let's try to manage columns, the second column here, and basically yeah, we need to find the option to change the column background, and then we can just click on image, And here we are, we can find a lot of stuff from stocks, or we can upload our own photo. So for example, maybe let's try to add this photo here. Let it be like this. So now we can just simply close, and in a few seconds everything will be changed. It may take a little time. So let's do it once more, try to find something, and yeah, like this here. So this is a way of how can we interact with different objects. We can customize every single element. For example, we can change the position, we can change the style, we can change the place where will this button lead to. So for example, it leads to bio. We can change the link, we can change it to none, page, web address, section, and anchor, and so on. Sometimes it could be really helpful. We can resize, we can change size. So the features are unbelievable. As for the website builder, all the features are provided for free. So in order to save our website, we just simply need to click on save in the right top corner, then just click on save, and in a few seconds everything is saved, even for free. We can now click on publish in the right top corner, and we can even view our website. So as you can see, now it looks like this, and all the changes were successfully added to our website, and now it's even available on the internet. So we can just simply send this page to somebody we are going to deal with, maybe, or so on. So we can simply click on Wix in the left top corner to go to dashboard, and from this page here we can just simply manage a lot of backend stuff. We can manage marketing and SEO, we can manage analytics and reports, find the traffic overview, sales overview, a lot of things we can find from this page here. So basically, as for me, it's pretty cool. Also, we can manage our portfolio, add projects, collections, and so on. So as you can see, we can find the our works here, our projects, and sometimes it could be really cool. If you are going to discover the paid plans, of course Wix is available for free, but they also have like paid plans, combo, unlimited, VIP, and they often have like different discounts, 50% off. As you can see now, I have like 8.50 instead of 17 euros and 14.50 instead of 29. Of course, I suggest you to try it for free, and after that you can easily decide is it necessary as for you to buy like paid plans. I think it's enough to use like combo or unlimited plan if we are going to create an portfolio website. So yeah, basically this is the way of how can we deal with Wix to create a portfolio website. I hope guys this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Goodbye.